Hey tool lovers! If you're the kind of person who gets excited about gadgets that make life easier, safer, and just plain cooler, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 14 unique tools and handyman gadgets on Amazon that are changing the game. From stair climbing dollies to wire stripping wizards. Let's roll! Number 1. This is the Mountit stair climbing dolly, built for serious lifting without the strain. Designed with a heavy-duty steel frame and 6-wheel configuration, it climbs stairs smoothly while supporting up to 330 pounds on flat surfaces and 264 on stairs. The telescoping handle extends to 42 inches, offering better leverage and control, while the rubberized grip ensures comfort and stability during transport. Large rubber wheels roll quietly and effortlessly, even when loaded with bulky items. Setup takes seconds. Just unfold, load, and tilt back to move. When the job's done, it folds flat for easy storage in a closet, garage, or vehicle. Perfect for home, office, or industrial use, this dolly eliminates the hassle of lifting heavy loads upstairs. With upgraded durability and frustration-free packaging, it's a reliable solution for anyone needing strength, convenience, and smart design in one compact tool. Number 2. Clogged drains are frustrating, and this 50-inch drain snake is built to solve that problem fast. With extra length beyond standard sink height, it reaches deeper into pipes to clear stubborn clogs in kitchen sinks, bathtubs, and showers. Constructed from anti-break steel rope wrapped in flexible nylon, it bends easily through tight PL or S traps without snapping or damaging pipes. The upgraded micro-hook tip grips hair and debris securely, unlike plastic barbed snakes that often get stuck. Using it is simple. Insert, twist, and pull. Repeat as needed, and clogs are gone. No chemicals, no mess. Safe for pipes and eco-friendly, this tool avoids the risks of corrosive cleaners while delivering powerful results. Ideal for routine maintenance or emergency clogs, it's a reliable solution for keeping drains clear and flowing. Number 3. Painting crisp, clean edges has never been easier. This handheld paint edger tool is engineered for precision, perfect for separating colors between walls and ceilings, indoors or out. Its innovative folding mechanism, tested over 500 times, ensures long-term durability, while white indicators mark folding points for quick setup. The adjustable latch system offers customizable tightness, locking the brush securely in place for steady, controlled strokes. With a dual color design, yellow handle, and red base, it delivers excellent grip and balanced paint distribution. Specially designed bristles and edge guides work together to create sharp, professional lines without bleeding or smudging. Ideal for DIY projects or professional jobs, this tool transforms tedious edging into a smooth, satisfying process. Whether tackling a full room or touching up trim, it's built to deliver flawless results with less effort. Number 4. Precision meets speed with the LAOA multifunctional automatic wire stripper. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, this tool handles everything from ultra-thin wires to multi-stranded cables, stripping cleanly without damaging the core. Equipped with an elastic adjustment switch, it adapts effortlessly to thick or thin wires, delivering consistent results with minimal effort. The stripping range spans 30 Aruban florins to 8 Aruban florins, covering 0.05 to 10 square millimeters, and includes a built-in cutter capable of slicing through 2.3 millimeters copper wire. Crafted with durable ABS and TPR materials, the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. The SK5 steel blades, hardened to HRC 58 degrees, offer sharp, reliable performance for repeated tasks. Ideal for electrical work, repairs, or installations, this wire stripper combines speed, safety, and versatility, making wire prep faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Number 5. Precision and control are essential in woodworking, and these QuickGrip Clamps deliver both. Built from durable carbon steel, they hold materials securely with a clamping range of up to 2.95 inches, making them ideal for joinery, gluing, and welding tasks. The cast clamp block and heat-treated head ensure long-lasting strength, while the nickel-plated handle allows for fast, smooth adjustments. Whether aligning boards or locking pieces in place, these clamps offer reliable grip and quick setup, saving time without sacrificing accuracy. Perfect for DIY projects, carpentry, or metalwork, they simplify complex tasks and keep workpieces steady during cutting, drilling, or bonding. Designed for convenience and built to last, these manual clamps are a must-have for anyone who values clean results and efficient workflow. Number 6. This reclining fishing chair is built for comfort, stability, and adventure. With a quick fold design, it sets up in seconds and packs down easily for transport, perfect for road trips, campsites, patios, or lakeside escapes. Crafted with a sturdy carbon steel frame and high-quality Oxford cloth, it offers reliable support and durability. Adjustable legs and swivel feet provide a stable grip on uneven terrain, while multi-directional steel claws prevent sinking. Height adjustment is simple, allowing for a custom fit whether fishing, hunting, or relaxing. The removable foam cushion adds seasonal comfort, cool in summer, warm in winter. Oversized and ergonomically designed, it suits tall users and offers more space than standard chairs. Ideal for anglers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this chair combines rugged performance with all-day comfort, making every outdoor moment more enjoyable. Number 7. This adjustable tube clamp is engineered for precision and versatility, perfect for welding, woodworking, cabinet making, and DIY projects. With a swing jaw and angle adjustability from 10 degrees to 180 degrees, it adapts to complex setups and ensures clean, accurate alignment. Designed for stability, it performs best with materials over 20 millimeters in diameter. For smaller pieces, a simple gasket, like a wood chip, keeps everything secure. The intuitive clamping mechanism makes operation effortless. Rotate left to release, right to lock in place. Crafted from aluminum alloy with a sandblasted finish, it resists wear, corrosion, and rust, even in tough workshop conditions. The die-cast construction adds durability, making it a reliable tool for long-term use. Whether tackling angled joints or holding pieces for welding, this clamp delivers consistent performance and saves time, bringing precision and confidence to every project. Number 8. This roll-down egg dispenser brings smart organization to the fridge. Designed with a gravity-fed system, it gently rolls eggs forward one at a time, making access easy and efficient. With a universal fit, it holds 12 to 14 standard, large, or jumbo eggs. The compact two-tier design saves space and eliminates the need for bulky cartons, keeping the fridge neat and streamlined. Setup is instant, no assembly required. Just load the eggs and let the dispenser do the rest. Non-slip feet keep it securely in place, even during busy kitchen moments. Crafted from BPA-free plastic, it's durable, easy to clean, and sized to fit most refrigerator shelves. Ideal for families, meal preppers, or anyone who values tidy storage, this egg organizer adds a touch of convenience and style to everyday routines. Number 9. This black window screen repair tape offers a fast, reliable fix for torn screens without the hassle of full replacements. Simply cut to size, press over the tear, and the job's done in seconds. No tools, no mess, just instant results. Made from durable fiberglass mesh and ultra-strong adhesive, it bonds securely to any screen surface. Whether repairing a window, door, tent, or pool screen, it holds firm, even in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Waterproof and weather-resistant, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The generous 2-inch by 30-foot roll covers large areas, saving time and money compared to replacing entire screens. Ideal for quick fixes or long-term repairs, this tape keeps bugs out and screens intact, restoring peace of mind with minimal effort. A smart solution for homeowners, campers, and anyone who values clean, functional spaces. Number 10. The Briner 12-foot multi-purpose folding ladder is built for serious tasks and versatile performance. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum with double-thickness tubed corners, it supports up to 330 pounds while meeting strict SGSEN 131 safety standards. With 7 configurations, including A-frame, extension, 90 degrees ladder, wall ladder, and scaffold, it adapts to any job, from ceiling repairs to rooftop access. The telescoping design extends to 12 feet and folds down to just 3.1 feet for easy storage and transport. Upgraded joint locks made from hardened high-strength steel offer triple the durability of standard locks, ensuring secure positioning and smooth transitions between modes. The included scaffold plates expand the workspace, providing a stable platform for painting, repairs, or installations. Whether for home improvement or professional use, this ladder delivers unmatched flexibility, strength, and safety, making it an essential tool for elevated tasks. Number 11. The EaseArc 12-inch demolition masonry saw blade is built for tough jobs where standard blades fall short. Engineered with carbide tooth technology, it cuts through porous aerated concrete, hollow brick, fiber cement, and drywall with ease, delivering performance that bimetal blades simply can't match. Its wide-body design and thick-gauge construction ensure stability and precision, while brazed carbide teeth offer long-lasting durability for demanding masonry tasks. Designed to reduce dust during cutting, it provides a cleaner, safer work environment, ideal for indoor demolition or renovation projects. Compatible with all major reciprocating saw brands, this blade fits seamlessly into existing setups, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Whether tackling wall panels or hollow brickwork, this blade delivers reliable, efficient cuts, built to handle the materials that others can't. Number 12. These 10-inch Aviation Tin Snips are built for clean, controlled cuts through tough materials. Crafted from CRV steel, the sharp teeth deliver fast, precise slicing through sheet metal, vinyl, plastic, and rubber, making them a versatile tool for professionals and DIYers alike. The double-lever design ensures smooth operation and reduces hand fatigue, even during extended use. Ergonomic, non-slip handles provide excellent grip and leverage while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Equipped with a safety lock mechanism, these snips store securely in toolboxes or pockets without risk of accidental opening. Capable of cutting up to 18-gauge cold-rolled steel and 22-gauge stainless steel, they offer reliable performance across a range of materials. Ideal for roofing, HVAC, auto bodywork, and general fabrication, these snips combine durability, comfort, and precision, making every cut cleaner and every job easier. Number 13. Stripped, rusted, or damaged screws can bring any project to a halt, but these Ruatool screw extractor pliers are built to take control. Made from high-carbon steel, they deliver the strength needed to grip and twist out stubborn fasteners with ease. The non-slip jaws lock onto damaged screw heads securely, while glue-coated handles provide a firm, comfortable grip for confident extraction. No drilling, no frustration, just a direct, effective solution. Ideal for woodworking, automotive repair, and home improvement, these heavy-duty pliers are designed to tackle the jobs that ordinary tools can't. Whether dealing with rusted bolts or stripped screws, they restore progress and eliminate delays. Built for durability and precision, this tool turns problem fasteners into quick fixes, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Number 14. These Maxhall curb threshold ramps are designed to make elevated access smooth, safe, and effortless. Built from high-impact polyplastic, each ramp supports up to 2,000 pounds, perfect for vehicles, wheelchairs, scooters, hand trucks, and more. The interlocking design allows flexible use. Connect them for wider coverage or use individually. A diamond surface pattern enhances traction, while bright yellow safety stickers increase visibility in busy areas. Lightweight at just 7 pounds each, they're easy to carry with built-in handles and compact enough for convenient storage. Mounting holes offer permanent installation options for high-traffic zones. Sized at 20 inches by 12 inches by 4 inch, these ramps are ideal for curbs, doorways, and sidewalks. Just ensure placement on a hard, level surface for optimal performance. Whether for mobility, transport, or utility, These ramps deliver reliable access with strength, stability, and safety built in.